And ta-da! There we go. The engine is now completely finished. All done, all dusted, everything fitted, and ready to go back to its owner. And hopefully that will now give many, many years of riding pleasure. I'm very happy with the finished result. You know, the way it's all come together and that. Yeah, I think the owner will be very, very happy with it. Okay, so yeah, it's all been done, and so what have we had done? We had the crankshaft, we had the big ends reground, and we fitted then oversized shells on the big ends. Then we've had new big end. Main bearings fitted, roller bearings on the crankshaft. We've got a rebore, 20 thou over rebore with new pistons, and we've had a fin mended on the barrels as well. Then we've got the cylinder head, that's all, and the top of the barrels was skimmed. The bottom of the head's been skimmed. And we've had lovely new inserts put in for the exhaust manifold, so that'll hold the exhaust in tight. They've been fitted. We've had a broken fin amazingly mended on the head as well. We've got new valve guides and we've got new valves fitted. We changed the tappet adjusters, so they're using Allen key for adjusting now. Obviously, we've had all the exterior cases polished up. In the timing case, we just checked the oil pump. We put a new cam chain on. We had the problem sorting out the chain tension, but that's all sorted now. We put a new adjuster pad on. We've got new tri-spark electronic ignition fitted. We've got a tack drive with the oil seal fitted, so that shouldn't leak. The oil pressure relief valve, that's all been cleaned and checked. Gearbox has been totally rebuilt and everything checked. We put new bushes in the high gear, or sleeve gear as it's called, where the bushes had worked out. They'd started to work their way out of the inside of the bush. But everything's just been cleaned, and then we've put in new springs, etc., in the outer casing to try and ensure a nice, crisp and positive gear change. New isolastics here, and we have painted obviously all the cradle, and then I think we've got we left the same. It's actually got the same spindle in the swinging arm, but we just put new felts in, filled it full of oil. Must take oil, not grease. And new end caps in, so that's all done. Then we've got a new inner primary chain case. If you remember, this one had been damaged by not being fitted properly in the rear chain had damaged it. We've got a belt drive conversion in there, obviously all the cases polished up. We've got a new rotor, belt drive conversion, new clutch inner, because we found that was loose in the bearing, new bearing at the back of the clutch. Obviously new oil seals and that everywhere. I'm sure I've forgotten, there's some stuff I'm sure I've forgotten to mention, but it's had a full rebuild and everything's been done. Obviously the cases have all been bead blasted, aqua blasted, and the outer case is polished, and the other parts painted. So I'm very, very happy. Obviously it's new piston rings, obviously they go with the new pistons, all good. We finally managed to get Allen screw conversion for the primary, for the timing case, which proved harder to get than I thought. but all done, all dusted, and I'm very happy.